Sparks Enterprises is the name you can trust if you're looking for a local dumpster rental in Dayton, Ohio. We provide reliable and affordable dumpster rental services for all projects, whether cleaning out your home, renovating a property, or managing construction debris. At Sparks Enterprises, we know that every project has its challenges. That's why we offer a range of dumpster sizes to fit your needs. Whether you need a small dumpster for a quick cleanout or a larger one for a significant construction project, we've got you covered. Our team delivers your dumpster on time and picks it up when you're done. No hassle, no stress. Choosing Sparks Enterprises means selecting a company that's dedicated to excellent service. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is here to help you every step of the way, from selecting the right dumpster size to ensuring timely delivery and pickup. Plus, with our competitive pricing, you'll get outstanding value without breaking the bank. For dependable local dumpster rental in Dayton, Ohio, trust Sparks Enterprises. Call us today at 937-347-3867 or visit www.sparksdumpster.com to book your dumpster now. Let Sparks Enterprises make your next project clean and easy.